Hey Prof, what does automation in welding technology really mean?
Sure, happy to explain something. Yeah, automation in welding, like in all other aspects, means getting rid of the human factor. Yeah, in our case, getting rid of the welder by a machine, by a robot.
Okay, and what exactly do you automate in welding technology and why?
Yeah, we have two aspects to automate. The first is the movement. That means the axis. This movement, it's not done by a welder, it's done by a machine or by a robot. And the second is the welding parameters. Yeah, you don't have a welder that changes the welding parameters, but you have to preset it in the machine. And of course, why do you do that? I think everybody first thinks on economic aspects. Yeah. A machine, a robot is much faster. That means you can produce more parts per hour. So that's the financial aspect. But the second aspect, same importance, that's of course the quality. A machine, a robot always has the same result in quality, exactly the same. Any questions for the Weld Prof? Please contact me.